How to redeem a Spotify gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem a Spotify gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for spotify.com/redeem. Make sure you are signed in and now, in the interface that you will be led to, enter your premium code that you have in the text box you see there. Once entered, further enter your address, state, and solve the CAPTCHA you see there, and finally, tap on the continue button. And with this, if the code you entered was correct, the code will be redeemed. So this is how you can redeem a Spotify gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.